welcome back to my channel. It's TheTiaraMakia. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified of future uploads. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I take my photos by myself. I am going to have a little help recording this video because I can't record myself taking my own photos and record. But my boyfriend, lovely boyfriend over here, is going to be helping me. So I'm going to show you guys how I get my bomb photos by myself. So I do this two ways. One is with my camera, which I'm currently filming on, and the other way is with my phone, which I use a shutter remote and a tripod. So those are the main three things. The phone works fine, but my camera gets superior quality. So when I really want a good quality photo, I use my camera depending on what I'm shooting, and my phone for also good quality, or when I need to just take a quick photo. So the tripod I'm going to be using is just one of my parents' old tripods that I found in our junk room from like the 90s, and it's amazing quality. It's a good tripod. It's very expensive. So I'm going to try to link some that I think has pretty good reviews, like on Amazon, if you want to look into that. Also, I hold my phone onto the tripod with this thing that I took off of a selfie stick, and it just screws onto the plate of the tripod. So you can get those. It's just a cell phone holder. And then also the tripod has a plate where you can screw your camera on. So if you don't want to use your camera, if you don't want to use your phone and use your camera, you can screw that on there as well. And what I use to take my photos on my phone is this shutter remote. I got this from Amazon for like $5 or $6, and it works very well. It's just Bluetooth connected to your phone, and that's how I do. So I'm going to show you guys how I get all these great photos that I take.
So here I'm just setting my tripod up, and if you guys would like a more detailed video on how I actually take my photos, considering lighting, time of day, finding my locations, and maybe even a photo editing video, please do let me know. I would love to show that to you guys if you're interested.
It's so hot out here, y'all. It's kind of tough right now because the sun is like right overhead, and it creates really harsh lighting and shadows. So I'm trying to work with that, but we're gonna see.
I just want to note that I normally wouldn't take photos during this time of day with this high sun, but this was the only time I had to record this video.
So all I have to do is already been Bluetooth connected to my phone, so I just have to cut the remote on. And then you just press the button to take the pictures. AB Shutter 3, that's what mine is called. Would like to pair with your phone, connected. And you can have multiple things connected to the Bluetooth at one time. And then you just press the button and it takes the picture. Okay, so I had to move to an area where there wasn't so much sun. So this is how I get my photos, and I just try to do poses where I hide the remote. So put your in there. Or you can put your phone on a timer, which I don't recommend because then you have to go and press the button every single time. But you probably can do the timer with the shutter remote. That works too. Put it on 3 seconds and it's doing it. I'm just gonna go get a couple more photos in different areas, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I'm getting too close. Show you guys how I do it with my camera. I have the Sony A6000, and a lot of new cameras have Wi-Fi compatibility. You can connect it to the smartphones, and with this, now I can control my camera from my phone. So whichever way I turn the camera, it's picking up on the phone, and I can adjust the zoom, I can put on the timer, I can adjust the f-stop, the ISO, put on a timer, the white balance, and everything, all from my camera. So that's another way I take my photos. So I'm going to take some of these in portrait mode, and I want to be like right in here. So I'm just going to use my phone as the shutter. A great view of myself from my camera, as you guys may or may not be able to see, but I want to zoom in a little bit, so I will do that.
So little dog, don't get too scared.
I'm just zooming in.
Do it again.
I can also put the timer on if I don't want to have to like hold my phone in my hand. So I'm going to put the timer on for 2 seconds. I'll set the timer down and then, set the phone down and take the photo. And look, the photo is on my phone and Dimitri was also in the photo, but that's okay. You want to get in this photo? And I'll just include a few other photos that I have taken by myself during either of these two methods, just so you guys can see that it can be done and they're going to be like better pictures than what we just took. That's pretty much how I take my photos by myself when I have no one to help me or I don't want to disturb or bother any of my friends. If this video has helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.